guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you to create Yahoo account. First click on browser. Go to yahoo.com. Here you can see sign in the right side of your laptop tab. Click on sign in. Here you can see sign up on the bottom of the screen. Click on sign up. Write your first name, last name, click your password, click your mobile number, click your mobile number, birth date, gender, click on continue. Here you can see here we will send you an account key to verify you are the owner of the phone. Click on text me and account. Here you type a code you get in your number. Click on verify. Now your Yahoo account is successfully created. Click on let's get it started and use your Yahoo ID. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing.
Yeah.